So Hoop just released this new 5.0 after like 3 years, and this is loaded with a lot of new features. ECG, heart rate monitoring, lifespan monitoring, aging monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, almost everything what you normally need for your perfect health tracking stuff. But the only bad and sad part is उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा मतलब the price has like literally gone to almost double. Anyways, in this video we are going to discuss everything good and bad about it. It just released 3 days back. I had ordered the same day, and since I'm here in Dubai, it just took me like 2 days to get the product. So it's here. I've also got the 4.0 free kit. So since I'm using 4.0 since last 2 years, so I can just get it off and gift it to someone for free, and they can just use this kit and start using it with a subscription. Of course, they have to pay for the subscription, and I will just move to this new Hoop 5.0 device. So ये वाले वीडियो में we are going to discuss everything about कि unboxing करेंगे, देखते हैं कि कैसे क्या Hoop 5.0 अगर इतना expensive हो चुका है तो what they have actually given in this new box, what all are inside this box, and at the same time क्या क्या memberships का tier है इस बार, how much and what all features loaded, how it exactly looks, how do we configure on the app, everything step by step we'll going to check everything in this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. If you're new to the channel, my name is Sumendra. Make sure to watch all of those videos in the channel. We keep on discussing a lot about finance, travel, productivity, health, money, business, everything all around money and business. So anyways, so ये वाला वीडियो में अपन सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, इसको अनबॉक्स करेंगे, देखेंगे क्या Hoop is sending with this box. So this is basically the last one, the top of the tier, the Hoop MG, Hoop 5.0 MG with the life membership. They have got like 3 now, Hoop 5.0 membership, then the peak, then the MG life membership, which is the most expensive one. So this is the one with the MG with the 5.0. So at least you'll be able to get the ID key exactly what all do you get in this top tier membership. Anyways, let's start with the unboxing. So this is basically how the packaging looks like for the Hoop 5.0. This is the live. You can see that the membership name also shows up live, and this is the Hoop MG sensor. They have 2 sensors. One is the Hoop normal and this one is the MG one. So there is one more kit also. You can just get it like gift your 4.0, get rewarded. So since I'm using this 4.0, I can just give it to someone else and they can use this kit, and uske baad jaake all they have to do is just pay for the membership and start using the device for free for lifetime. Basically just keep on renewing the membership and you'll be able to use it. This is the one. इसको भी unbox कर देखें. First let's see this Hoop 5.0 main device. It says at the top heart screener and Hoop MG sensor. This is the live and this is the new sensor. You can see that, and the MG has the 2 clasps at both the ends because ECG monitoring के लिए you need those 2 clasps. And यहाँ पे Apple style में है, तो Apple style में दे दिया गया है. पूरा इसको unboxing करके देखते हैं. Alright, it says unlock yourself, get started, scan to open the Hoop. And it says wear your hoop, pull open the clasp, adjust band to tighten, snap the clasp to close, slide on the power pack. All right, so this is the packaging. In यहाँ पे सारे मतलब activities के मतलब very nice packaging. You can see that यहाँ पे it says the Hoop logo with the branding, and it gets started with the QR code and all the activities, and here it says how you normally need to use if you are someone new to the Hoop bandwagon. Unlock yourself, all the details. Now if we see this packaging, so all you have to do is just open it, and you see that the wireless charger, and this is fully waterproof this time. All you have to do is just use the USB-C and you can charge. Only thing is it's not compatible anymore with this. You can see that because this is a bit bigger and this one is close to 7% small. I don't see any size changes, but still we can see that. So this is the Hoop 5.0 device, and this is the fully metal titanium is what they say, but I don't think so it's fully titanium. Probably titanium like fused or something like that. And this is the new logo. The old one, you can see that it used to say Hoop at the top. Here it doesn't say Hoop at the top anymore. It just says a W logo, and then the USB-C, cable for the Hoop for charging the charger. All right, perfect. Okay, so this is the charger, and then we have this one. So now if you open this, all right, so it's open. Okay, so now you can see that this is the all new sensor. Goes something like this. It says always on, and you have to adjust from here. This is adjustment, and this is the clasp. You can just open the clasp, and there is no change. So if I see this one, अभी ये जो है 5.0 का जो मतलब band, it's exactly the same thing. You can see that. So exactly 4.0 का जैसा ही band है, it's exactly the same. So I've been using this is 2 years. So black one, you can see that it just looks a bit more black because it's brand new. And then there is this metal surface. So it looks premium somehow, but yeah, I don't see a lot of change, but somehow it feels a bit small as well. It's kind of small, not very small. So now if we open this thing up, Now if I see, open this up, the 4.0 and 5.0, you can see that the change, it's they say it's just 7% small, and you can also see that from here, like it's a bit big and it's just a bit small, not very small, but it's just a bit small. That's why the old straps, like we cannot use our old existing straps on Whoop 5.0 anymore. So यहाँ पे जितने सारे straps हमने invest किया हुआ था, पूरा वो straps गया. तो अभी basically whoever I'm going to sell this Whoop to, मैं क्या करूँगा, उसको strap wrap सब कुछ बेच दूंगा. So at least he can use the existing straps and everything as it is, and just membership add होगा, and उसके बाद जाके they can just use. So in case if anyone wants to buy Whoop, let me know. Maybe I can just go ahead and sell this to you because it's of no use to me anymore. वैसे भी kit है, kit में मैं दिखा दूंगा. So this is the new 5.0 device. You can see that the device sensor looks something like this. The old sensor was something like this, and the new sensor is somehow something like this. So basically it's a brand new sensor with a lot of new updates, steps counter, everything, सब कुछ update कर दिया गया है. अभी देखते हैं इसको, मतलब let's say if it's on my adjustment or I need to adjust. Of course I need to adjust. So adjustment के लिए all I have to do is just go here and just do it from here. Push, 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 just push, and just do this here, this one. That's all. अभी देखते हैं, हो जाना चाहिए. If not, it's just one time. So you can see that मेरा यहाँ पे मतलब पूरा color भी change हो चुका है body में, because I've been using it exactly at the same spot since many years. So yes, perfect, looks fine. So it looks a bit more big probably because this is like I mean the height is more. You can see that the height is a bit more because this is the new one is with the 14 days battery backup. So 14 days battery backup के लिए maybe they had to bump up the hardware a bit. The device looks a bit small, but the hardware जो height है वो थोड़ा increase हो चुका है, क्योंकि the good thing is the old one was having just like 3 days battery life. This one is with 14 days battery life. So kind of a very big improvement, but of course I need to just adjust it a bit more and then we can go and talk more about it. All right, okay, so थोड़ा और adjust करेंगे तो we will be done. Perfect, yes, this should be enough, because you of course need to make sure it's tight enough. अगर tight नहीं होगा तो then you cannot just use it. ठीक है, so all you have to do is just perfect. Now it should be fine. Now we will just go to the phone app and just set it up. So now it's fully connected, fully installed, fully done, live. Let's go to the phone app and we will set it up. So first we have to wake up the Whoop by sliding in the charger. So charger को connect करते हैं and a light blue will blink. I can see that a light color blue is blinking. All right, okay. So now I can see that this one is connected, connecting, pairing, yes, pair. So this one is going to pair up and it's gonna move all of my data all the way to the new device. So now this is connected. I have to just rename it. Whoop Somjana V5, save, done, connected. So now you can see that the new device is connected, data caught up, it's connected for charge. Now if we go here, you can see reveal by Whoop age. The heart rate is showing up, health span is showing up, health monitor is showing up, blood monitoring will show up. We have to set it up, and heart screener is also up, stress monitor is here. So one by one एक एक करके देखेंगे. So now if we go here, so it needs some time. So introducing health metrics, Whoop age, all right, on track, your Whoop age speedometer, okay, okay, balance running, okay, reveal Whoop age, okay. So it says like close to 1.9 years younger. So this is a very good factor. But if your life is not very good, it's not very active, maybe ये 1 के इधर आ जाएगा, तो then it will be more like red and you will feel really bad. So you need to be someone who is actually very active. So at least you can, so as long as Whoop says like you are feeling younger and this one is like years younger, you are good to go. Let me just take a screenshot, डालेंगे अपन Instagram पे. So 35.7 Whoop age, 1.7, like my age is 37, but Whoop says since I'm very active physically in my life, so it says you are 1.9 years younger. All right, okay. So now we have to just maintain our goals. Whoop coach now. All right, okay. सो वो कैसे भी, कहाँ से भी ये सारा डेटा कैसे ला रहा है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट शोइंग अप कि स्लीप कंसिस्टेंसी कैसा है, आवर्स ऑफ स्लीप कैसा है, स्ट्रेन कैसा है, टाइम कैसा है, स्ट्रेंथ कैसा है, स्टेप्स कैसा है, फिटनेस कैसा है, आर कैसा है, लीन बॉडी मास कैसा है, ट्रेंड व्यू कैसा है, हुप ट्रेंड, पेस ऑफ एजिंग ट्रेंड, all those details are showing up automatically. And if you immediately fuck up your like life, then maybe it will go to red zone and it will be more than 1, then you will feel not younger, you will. So basically this is showing the health span as in the aging कि आप कितने जल्दी एज कर रहे हो. If this is less than 1x, that means you are doing very well, because hoop says feels कि your age is younger than your actual age. So this is very good when it's green. So now if we go to the health span is done. Now we will go to the blood pressure monitoring. So blood pressure monitoring is this. All right, how does it work? So I have been diagnosed with high blood. I currently take metformin. I am pregnant. No, none of the above. I have very elevated blood pressure. I have somewhat elevated. I have normal blood pressure. I think I have normal. Important notice. All right, okay. Set your baseline. Okay. I have a cough. Get started. I will do this later. ऑलराइट ओके, उसको अपन बाद में करेंगे. हार्ट रेट्स का स्क्रीनर अभी देखते हैं. सेटअप ECG, कन्फर्म सुइटेबिलिटी. यू हैव यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स, सो एक्नॉलेज, कंटिन्यू. व्हाट इज ECG? टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ योर. ओके, वी विल डू दिस समथिंग लाइक दिस. ऑलराइट ओके, हाउ डज इट वर्क? ऑटोमेटिकली इट शोज अप. कैसे काम करता है ये? ओके ओके okay. Now we have to I'm wearing it on the left. Take a reading, 30 seconds. Okay, place your thumb. Calibration chalu. 26 seconds, 24 seconds, 22 seconds, 19 seconds, 17, 16, 15. Alright, okay. ECG reading is in progress. 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, ECG reading successful. Did you experience any of the following? Fatigue? No, nothing. Skip. Normal, okay. Alright, so ECG 1 is done. You can see that my report is already out. It's here. So set up the heart notifications. I can just turn on the notifications when I have anything bad. So we will just set it to my zone, United Arab Emirates. What is atrial fibrillation? ये बहुत मतलब how do you rhythm? Alright, okay. Pay attention to the signs of AFib. Okay. Feature on it is okay. Done. Perfect. So अपना ECG का रिपोर्ट भी आ चुका है. So if I have to go to reports, I can actually find the report just 1 minute back we had taken, and we can just go ahead and send the report to anyone as well. So now the ECG is done, and यहाँ पे stress monitoring also shows up, and यहाँ पे health monitor, if you see this, it shows all of the health monitors. Heart rate also shows up, temperatures, RHR, HRV, and blood oxygen, respiratory rate, everything shows up. Done. Okay, only thing pending is apna blood pressure inside, so maybe I will just put it none of the above. I have normal blood pressure. We will just I have a cough. Get started. Okay, fast reading, second, third reading. Okay, हम क्या करेंगे? I think I had taken a reading like 2 hours back. I will just go ahead and enter, and that should be it. Anyways, उसको अपन क्या करेंगे? एंटर कर देंगे. So let me just check what I had taken the reading. 10467, 10467, 10871, 10871, 10670, 10670. चलो हो गया. तीनों का मैंने बेस लाइन डाल दिया है. टुडेज रीडिंग इट सेज इन द ग्रीन जोन. फेयर इनफ. ओके, सो ये धीरे धीरे क्या करेगा, एक दिन के बाद जाके ऑटोमेटिकली इट्स गोइंग टू गिव मी द फुल इनसाइट्स आफ्टर 24 आवर्स वंस इट गेट्स कैलिब्रेटेड. फॉर नाउ आई हैव जस्ट एंटर्ड माई ब्लड प्रेशर विच फील्स लो बिकॉज I had just taken the reading just after my gym, so probably that's why it's so slow. Anyways, I have already entered. उसके बाद जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली धीरे धीरे आते जाएगा all the details. ठीक है, so this one is done. Now let's check what we get in the 4.0. So anyone, because right now this I have this 4, so if I have to gift this to someone, they can just use this. तो इसके अंदर क्या क्या आता है we can actually see. So now if we see this, so if I want to gift it to someone, I can just go ahead and do that. So all I have to do is just see what they have given. So inside this they have the gift kit instructions with the full kit. So basically there is a new, oh wow, they have given a very nice one. Maybe I will just ask my wife to use it then. So clasp has been given, this has been given, 4.0 band has been given, and some stickers and all. So everything is pretty much good to go and ready. Just add the clasp and that's all. Install the app and pay for the membership and you are ready to get set, go. So nice, fair enough. That's a very nice, actually they have given a very neat and a nice looking band and a very nice looking clasp as well. Looks very good, very good actually. Maybe I will get the similar one for my 5.0 because this base one doesn't even look good. So maybe we'll just go ahead and get that. And uska charger bhi they have given, one charger. No, charger they haven't given. It's just that gift instructions kit and that's all right. So that's all for the Hoop 5.0 unboxing and the Hoop 4.0 gift kit as well. That was about the unboxing part. Setup भी हो चुका है. अभी I am going to wear it for at least 2 days and then I'm gonna show you कि exactly statistics में क्या update हुआ, because everything anyways it's going to automatically shift to the Who 5.0 device from the 4.0. All I have to do is just like get rid of the 4.0 and 5.0 and automatically it's going to show me all the details. So once I do at least 1 or 2 recoveries and sleep cycles, so at least I would be able to show you exactly sleep parameters में क्या आ रहा है, recovery parameters में क्या आ रहा है, aging वाले parameters में क्या आ रहा है. All the parameters I would be only be able to show you once I have 1 or 2 recoveries. So let's see after 2 days how it looks like. So now that the whole setup is done and the Hoop MG 5.0 device with the live membership is on, so I can tell you the differences. So अगर ऐसा देखा जाए तो 4.0 and 5.0 में वैसा कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है. लाइक बेसिकली द सेंसर्स लुक एग्जैक्टली द सेम. द ओनली थिंग इज लाइक प्राइस हैज गॉन ऑल द वे डबल एक्स, मतलब सीधा ट्वाइस हो चुका है. पहले इट वाज लाइक वेरी चीप. आई थिंक इट वाज नॉट वेरी चीप ऑफ कोर्स. पर ईयर इट वाज समवेयर क्लोज टू 25,000 समथिंग लाइक दिस. नाउ इट्स क्लोज टू 35,000. सीधा मतलब ऑलमोस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा हाइक कर गया है. एंड द थिंग इज लाइक द गुड थिंग इज बैटरी बैकअप इज ऑफ कोर्स गुड. द ECG थिंग इज प्रीटी मच क्लीन. ब्लड प्रेशर वाला वो भी दिखा रहा है. मे बी 2-3 दिन के बाद एनीवेज आई वुड बी एबल टू गेट द डेटा, देन आई कैन एक्चुअली शो यू. एंड स्लीप डेटा एंड ऑल दोज डेटा, एवरीथिंग हैज़ एक्चुअली जस्ट लेड आउट ए वेरी नीट नाइस इंटरफेस. तो इंटरफेस देखा जाए तो बहुत ही अच्छा कर दिया गया इस बार. सो प्रॉब्ली मे बी आफ्टर 1 or 2 days once I have more data into it then I can show you in a different vlog ये exactly ये डेटा कैसा शो कर. अभी के लिए it was just more about the unboxing stuff to tell you exactly what has been changed. तो बहुत सारे चेंजेस है. तो अगर हम 4.0 and 5.0 को देखते हैं तो बैटरी ऑफ कोर्स इज ए वेरी बिग चेंज, क्योंकि जो नॉर्मल 4.0 था it was only staying for only 3 days while this one is going to, as per the company, it's going to stay for 14 days. देखते हैं, मैं जब चार्ज करके यूज़ करूँगा देन आई वुड बी एबल टू नो कि एग्जैक्टली इट्स रियली स्टेइंग फॉर 14 days और हाउ मेनी डेज अपने को मालूम लग जाएगा. सेकेंड थिंग इज ब्लड प्रेशर मॉनिटरिंग, वो भी दिखा देगा. अपना ECG मॉनिटरिंग वो भी आ गया. स्टेप्स काउंटर हैज़ बीन कम्प्लीटली फिक्स दिस टाइम. इट्स नो मोर इन बीटा. एट द सेम टाइम हार्मोनल चेंजेस वो भी दिखा रहा है. हार्ट सिम्टम्स जिसका होता है कुछ ना कुछ वो भी ऑटोमेटिकली अभी इस बार शो करेगा. सो ऑल दोज न्यू स्टफ हैज़ बीन pretty good and pretty nice. And the health span aging thing is also very good. If your lifestyle is not very good, automatically the aging thing will be going to red zone. Then you will always feel like if I am seeing this, you will be having more anxiety attacks, and then you will be able to go ahead and go back and fix all of those stuff what is actually going wrong. And the best thing is, which is actually coming, they have not yet released it, that is the whole body check getting integrated into the Whoop labs. जो क्या होगा कि probably Whoop is going to partner with some companies worldwide. वो क्या करेंगे, आपका ब्लड टेस्ट करेंगे. उसका जो भी आपका ब्लड टेस्ट में जो भी डेटा रहेगा, लाइक मैग्नीशियम, आयरन, कॉर्टिसोल्स भी, विटामिन D, B जो भी रहेगा, सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिकली Whoop के ऐप में आ जाएगा. एंड वॉट एवर इज लो और स्लो, ऑटोमेटिकली Whoop इज गोइंग टू टेल यू कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए फिक्स करने के लिए. सो ऑफ कोर्स इफ वी सी फ्रॉम द 4.5 to 4.0 to 5.0, द डिफरेंस इज ह्यूज. huge. But if you're already using 4.0 and you don't need more things to be monitored in your life, then maybe you can just stay with 4.0. But if you're someone like me who needs more and more data to play with and fix more and more lifestyle, what can be done better at what zones of your life, then maybe you can just go ahead and go for it. So hopefully you got to learn about the whole thing, the difference between 4.0 and 5.0. मैं कहूँगा कि अगर आपके लिए डेटा उतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, if you're just like simply tracking your recovery and the sleep which already the 4.0 is doing, then just stay with the 4.0. But if you're looking for more, all of those data all together, then maybe 5.0 is the best thing to go for. And एक ही बार लोगे तो लाइफ ही ले लो, क्योंकि at least you would be able to track each and everything whatever you need. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you loved the video about the Whoop 5.0 MG device. If you've got any question, let me know in the comments. And I've already given you my feedback ki what I liked in the Whoop 5.0 and what I did not like about it. If you are on the internet and if you are not living under the rock, you would have already seen a lot of hate about Whoop on Twitter and Reddit. बहुत लोग, काफ़ी लोग गाली दे रहे हैं, इतना पैसा बढ़ गया, हमें तो फ्री में मिलना चाहिए, होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. Lot of discussions have been there. But anyways, maybe like this is one device what I have always seen. It has actually helped me to change my life completely. Like anything I am able to track and I am able to have that. I don't have any more anxiety attacks. पहले क्या होता था कि Apple Watch क्या, you just don't get to wear every time. You cannot wear a Apple Watch 24/7, but this stays on my body 24/7. So I know it's tracking me whole day, night, day, whenever I'm sleeping or waking up or walking out or doing anything. It's always tracking me and giving me the stats. So that was one of the main reasons why I believe on Whoop and I invest on Whoop and I spend on Whoop as well. So I have been promoting Whoop on my Instagram since many months as well. We have done a lot of sales through my link as well. So if you are looking to get a Whoop, link is below in the video description. Go ahead, order it and they will ship it to you in like next 2 or 3 days. If you are from India में वो ship करते हैं, you can get it easily. So hopefully you loved the video and अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को like कर देना and make sure to share the video with some friends and make sure to subscribe as well. क्योंकि subscribe नहीं करोगे तो whenever I'm putting any new videos, you would be not getting the information. Let me know if you've got any question. Bye bye.